with welcome song. So kids, yes, come and sit in front of the screen. Revika, you also switch on your camera. Now, let's start the class with welcome song. So you all have to sing along with ma'am. All right, let's start. We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome everyone. Welcome to this new and beautiful day. All right, kids, now together we'll sing Mulberry Bush. Okay, let's start. Everyone, I want everyone to do the action and to sing the Mulberry Bush song together with ma'am. Okay, let's start. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush, so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face, so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we take a bath, take a bath, take a bath. This is the way we take a bath so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair so early in the morning. This is the way we dress ourselves, dress ourselves, dress ourselves. This is the way we dress ourselves so early in the morning. This is the way we walk to school, walk to school, walk to school. This is the way we walk to school so early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. All right, kids, welcome once again. And Shreyash, you are busy in writing what? Leave it. All right. So, kids, now let's talk about the day and the date. So, kids, today the date is 22 July 2021. What's the date today? 22 July 2021. Which month is going on, kids? कौन सा month चल रहा है अभी? July. Which month is going on? July. And today the day is Thursday. What is the day today? Today is Thursday. All right? Okay. Now, kids, tell me how many days are there in a week? एक week में कितने days होते हैं? How many days? Yes. How many days are there in week? Yes. There are 7 days. 7. Let's say together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. All right. Now, kids, tell me how many months are there in a year? एक year में कितने months होते हैं? How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months. How many months? 12. Yes, Rimakshi, we don't have 12 fingers, no? So that's why we can't count on the fingers. So we have 12 months in a year. एक साल में 12 months होते हैं. Come on, let's say the name of the months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. All right, Swasti, you want me to remove you from the class or what? Switch on the camera. Swasti. All right, kids. Now, get your English copy. Get your English copy and write down today's date on the left corner, 22/7/2021. So, kids, today we are going to do this and that, the concept of this and that. So, mothers, there is one page set in your copy, I think, of this and that I told you. First of all, we are going to do the diagrams and then we'll move to this and that. If you have, then open that page. If you do not have that page, then I'm writing it here. You can copy from the board. Okay? Use of this and that. So kids, first of all, write down today's date. That is 22 July 7, 2021. We have written 7 in the date because July is the 7th month of a year. That's why. Use of this and that. Come on. Everyone, write down the date. And if you don't have the set copy, this page in your copy, then just write down the heading. Write down the date first, 22/7/2021. Use of this and that. Use of this and that. Everyone write down the heading. Then keep your pencil down. आपकी pencil को नीचे रखो, side पे रखो and pay attention. After writing the date, keep your pencil aside and pay attention here. Write down the date first, everyone. And after writing the date, stop writing and pay attention here. So written, everyone, the date. Done? All right. Everyone, now pay attention. Pay attention here. Kids, pay attention. Mishti, pay attention here. Dhruv. All right. Now everyone pay attention. This and that. Come on, read the words. First of all, read the words with ma'am. TH. The digraph TH we had learned, है ना? In our previous class. So TH, the, is. The is this. The is this. Then THAT. So TH, the, and AT, at. The, at, that. The, at, that. So this and that. All right. Now, pay attention. So, where to use this and where we use that. Okay, so the thing which is near to us, जो चीज हमसे पास है उसके लिए हम this यूज करेंगे. This is a ball. Understand? जो चीज हमारे पास है उसके लिए हम this यूज करेंगे. We use this for that thing. Okay, and that कब यूज करते हैं? The thing which is far away from us. ऐसी चीज जो हमसे दूर है उसके लिए हम that यूज करेंगे. That is a star. This is a ball. That is a star. जो चीज हमसे पास है उसके लिए we use this, and जो चीज हमसे दूर है for that we use that. ठीक है? Now everyone look. The board is far away from me, so I use that, and the duster is near to me. Duster मेरे पास है, so I use this. This is a duster. That is a board. Understand? आपको समझ में आ रहा है? जो चीज हमारे पास है उसके लिए हम this यूज करते हैं. ठीक है? Look, this is a pencil. ये पेंसिल मेरे पास है, so I use this for it. This is a pencil. But अगर इस पेंसिल को अब मैं दूर कर दूंगी, ये पेंसिल मुझसे दूर हो गई, so I use that is a pencil. ठीक है? Vansh, keep hand on your mouth. You have to keep hand on your mouth. Understand everyone? अब आप देखो. Do you have pencil in your hand? Everyone show your pencil. Show your pencil. Yes. तो पेंसिल आपके पास है. Everyone show your pencil. Dhruv and Dhanvi, Mishti, Rakshansh. Yes. तो ये पेंसिल मेरे पास है, आपके पास है, तो हम क्या कहेंगे इसे? This is a pencil because it is near to us. ये हमारे पास है इसलिए हम यूज करेंगे this. This is a pencil. और अब देखो आपके रूम में फैन है. There is one fan in your room. Yes. और वो फैन कहाँ है? आपके पास है कि दूर है? It is far away from you. तो आप उसके लिए यूज करोगे that is a fan. ठीक है? जो चीज आपके पास है you use this for that, and जो चीज आपसे दूर है आप उसके लिए that यूज करोगे. ठीक है? This is a pencil. That is a fan. Understand? All right, kids. Any problem? Any problem, anyone? You kindly ask me if you have any kind of problem. Kindly raise your hand. All right. Again, I am repeating. Meaning of this. This का मतलब होता है when something is near to us. जब हमसे कोई चीज पास होती है, हमारे पास होती है, तो उसके लिए हम this यूज करते हैं. This is a pencil. ये मेरे पास है, so this is a pencil. And जो चीज हमसे दूर होती है, the thing which is far away from us, we use that. Okay, उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? That. That is a board. That is a fan. जो चीजें मुझसे दूर हैं, I use that for it. All right? Okay, one more thing. I'll show you one more example. Look. Okay. Now see, there are two boys, है ना? अब ये जो वाला boy है, the tree is far away from him. ये जो tree है इससे दूर है, तो what he will say? That is a tree. समझ में आया? This tree is far away from the boy. ये tree, ये वाली tree इस boy से दूर है, so what he will say? That is a tree. Okay, and look at this boy. The boy is near to a kite. इस boy के पास क्या है? Kite. So what he will say? This is a kite. Understand? That is a tree. This is a kite. This हमेशा हम उन चीजों के लिए यूज करते हैं जो हमारे पास हैं, एंड दैट हम उनके लिए यूज करते हैं जो हमसे दूर हैं, which are far away from us. So I hope you all understood. If any problem anyone is having, so kindly raise your hand. Otherwise, we'll move further. Any problem? Kids, mothers, anyone? All right. Chalo, now let's start the work. Yes. So kids, number 1. Dash. Read it. First of all, read it, then write. Dash is is. A and BALL. Ball. Dash is a ball. तो बॉल हमारे पास है कि दूर है? इट इज नियर. ये पास है, तो ये पास है, तो इसके लिए वी यूज दिस. THI this. This is a ball. TH the and IS. The is this. IS is a BALL ball. This is a ball. Why we have written this here? Because the ball is near to us or near to sentence. Understood? Ara? Okay. Now, number 2. Those who don't have the set page in their copy, so kindly you write it down from the board. All right? The page is before the diagraphs. We had left the page for the diagraphs. I told you in the previous class that we are going to do this and that concept after the diagram. Read it and then write it. Kids, read and write. Mothers, kindly make sure they read the sentence. It will increase, it will enhance their vocabulary, their reading skill. Read. Whatever you are writing, just read it first. Whatever you are writing, read it first. TH the, IS is. This. IS is a BALL ball. This is a ball. Chaitya, switch on the camera. Chaitya. Swasti, why you have raised your hand? Any problem you are having? Swasti? Do it. All right, kids. Now number 2. Dash IS is. Everyone? All right, Chaitya. Swasti, you have completed. Just keep it down. Don't do the work before the class. We are sending you the PDFs just for your reference. Don't make your child to do the work before the class. It's a request to all of you. Dash IS is a CAT, cat. Okay, now look, the cat is far, है ना? The cat is far. यहाँ पर बॉल पास में थी, पर जो कैट है वो दूर है. तो जो दूर चीज होती for the far away things we use that. What we use? That. T-H the A-T at. That. Okay. Again I am repeating. For the things which are near to us, ऐसी चीजें जो हमसे पास हैं, for that we use this. उसके लिए हम this use करते हैं. और ऐसी चीजें जो हमसे दूर हैं, उसके लिए we use that. अब आप अपने रूम में देखो आसपास, आपके पास कौन सी चीजें हैं जिसके लिए आप this यूज कर सकते हो, एंड कौन सी चीजें दूर हैं जिनके लिए आप that यूज कर सकते हो. Just look around your room, where you are sitting. You will find many things that are near to you and that are far away from you. तो जो आपके पास है उनके लिए आप this यूज करोगे. जैसे कॉपी आपके पास है, so this is my copy, this is my pencil. And आपसे दूर डोर है, विंडोज है, so that is a window, that is a door. ठीक है? I am giving just an example. You just observe your room, look around the room and find out what all the things which are near to you and which are far away from you. किसके लिए आप this यूज कर सकते हो और किन चीजों के लिए आप that यूज कर सकते हो. All right? And अगर आपको फिर भी कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो काइंडली फील फ्री टू आस्क मी. ठीक है? So one more important thing, kids, before writing you have to read the sentence. Kindly read the sentence before writing. That's a very important thing. है ना? This will improve your vocabulary, enhance your vocabulary and reading skills. This is a cat. The cat is far. So we have written that. क्योंकि cat दूर थी, that is why we have written that here. That is a cat. Number 3. All right. Now everyone pay attention. Everyone pay attention. Look, here is one car. है ना? So tell me, the car is far or car is near? ये कार जो है ये पास है कि दूर है? Is it far? Is it far or is it near? क्या है ये? ये कार पास है. It is near. So we use this. हम पास के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? This. T-H-I-S. This. This is a car. T-H-I-S. This. I-S is a car. This is a car. All right? The things which are near to us, उनके लिए हम this यूज करेंगे जो हमारे पास हैं. And the things जो हमसे दूर हैं, उनके लिए we use that. This and that. Shall we move next बच्चों? Done kids? आगे बढ़े अब हम. Now the next one is dash. IS is a STAR. Look, there's one blend here. Star. Dash is a star. So look, the star is far. जो स्टार है वो दूर है, तो दूर चीजों के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? That. That is a star. THAT, that. IS is a star. That is a star. Okay, I hope now you all understood the concept of this and that. अगर अभी भी आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, any problem, any kind of problem, kindly ask me. ठीक है? One time, two time, I'll explain it. The at, that is a star. That is a star. Do not write on the chat box done. Don't write. When I ask you anyone left, then you have to write. Yes, ma'am, I am left. Do not write anything in the chat box right now. All right. So kids, I do not have a space here. So I am erasing it and writing the remaining two sentences here. Okay? But you have to write the sentences in continuity. Number 5. Dash IS is a BALLON. Balloon. Balloon. जैसे डबल ही मिलकर ई का साउंड निकालते हैं, वैसे ही डबल ओ साथ में मिलकर ऊ का साउंड निकालते हैं. ठीक है? That is sorry, dash is a balloon. So balloon पास है कि दूर है? Is it far or is it near? Is it far or is it near? Yes, it is near. So for near things we use this. 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 This is a balloon. This is a balloon. Those who have completed their work, do not sit idle. Kindly keep your finger over there below the sentences and try to read that. Saksham, you just wait, beta. Now, number 6. Let everyone complete the work. Then I am going to check the copies and line-wise I am going to check. Number 6. Dash IS is a BOOK book. Yes. So the book is far or near? It is far. So for the far thing, we use that. 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 The at that. That is a book. Again, I am repeating. Kindly read all the sentences before writing. Mothers and fathers, whoever is sitting beside the child, kindly make sure they read each and everything, whatever they are writing in their copy. It's very, very important, whether it is of English, of Hindi, okay, or of maths. So it's a request to all of you. Kindly make sure. That is a book. All right, now